Well, hello everybody and welcome back. Today Monty and me are back down on the River Vire at Pontfarcy, and it's a beautiful October afternoon. It's 16 or 17 degrees. It's late in the afternoon, got a couple of hours to try and catch a few little dace, up some roach, and on the ledger rod I'm going to try and do that on a float, and the ledger rod's set up there, and see if we can catch a chub. Put a worm on that and we'll see what happens. Anyway, let's get set up, see if we can catch you some fish. In the water, wait to start, a couple of maggots on it, and we catch a gudgeon. What a gudgeon! Where'd that come from? Good fish. Next on, boy. Another gudgeon maybe. It's a chub, I think. Little chublet. Look at that. Well, what a lovely afternoon. We've had 3 casts, we've had 2 fish. It's a good start. A couple of white maggots and a size 18 hook. It's just lovely. We had a busy old day. Out shopping this morning, buying a new trailer. Then this afternoon we saw a fridge freezer up for sale locally, second hand, which the wife wanted, so we went and got that. And now it's 4 o'clock, 4:30, and we're out fishing. Monty's having a lovely time, ain't he, boy? All we're doing is just letting this waggler very, very slowly move down the water. We'll see if we can catch you some more. There's another one straight away. Next cast, look at that. What we got this time, boy? Oh. Another gudgeon. It's a gudgeon. Only a little gudgeon. There goes the gudgeon. Did you see the gudgeon? You did, didn't you? Considering it's quite a big float, the gudgeon can still pull it under. This float's got a couple of AA shot and about number 1, so I've put right down 6 inches from the hook. And it's dotted down fairly well. And the little fish, there goes another one. You see, they don't have any trouble pulling it under. What's this? Could be a little roach maybe? A roach. I think it is a little roach. Little roach, can you see that? Straight back. Got another fish. What's it this time? It's a little bit bigger. Another beautiful little roach. Let's just hold them up for you. What a lovely little roach that is. Beautiful fish. Just get the barbless hook out. Drop him back in. There's a better way to spend an October afternoon. I'd like to know what it is. There's the fish. Oh, it's a better one. I wonder what this is. It's a lively little thing. Nice roach. Beautiful roach. Let's just lift him out. Look at that. Now that's what you call a roach. Look at that. What a lovely fish that is. What a beautiful autumn Vire roach. Just drop him back in. Whilst we're waiting for a bite, let's just quickly show you. We went out with Colin a couple of days ago and there's a couple of fish that we caught in a private little lake. Nice little surprise, nice little afternoon out. So have a quick look at that and then you'll be back on the River Vire. But neither of them would leave us with any paperwork at all, apart from their business card.
Yeah, that's just not normal, is it? Not to get dead.
No, well, this is a good fish. Oh God. This isn't a roach.
What sort of line is down there then?
3. Yeah, I think so. I mean, I think it's huge, but it's not a... Oh, yeah, definitely landed it. It says. We're doing all this since £0.5.
Yeah.
Where's the landing net round there?
Yeah, I don't get it there.
Not as big as I thought, but I won't be able to lift it out.
There are some decent roach in there.
I think this is a little carp. Have you ever caught a tension here? Sorry? Oh no, is that a carp or a roach?
Carp.
It was a bit bigger than that when I looked at it. Right. So where did that come from?
That could be one of those little tailsham things.
What we got from Lidl's? It's a lovely little fish, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at that. Lovely. Out of the way. Out of the way. That tiny little roach. A little morsel of ground bait. Just drop it in. One there. And one just there. We'll have a look and see if anything's got interested in this. We had we had a great big worm on there. Big worm. And the worm's gone. and it's been replaced by little tiny fish. That's a tiny, well, it might be even a bleak, I don't know, it's tiny. Tiny little fish, and that was on a size 12 hook and half a lobworm. Not sure what happened to the lobworm. Little tiny fishy, eh boy? Fish, huge big bait. We've got a roach. Look at that little roach that took a huge, great big bait. Hungry little fish. We've got time. One more cast. Well, the sun's gone down behind the hill, and what a beautiful afternoon. You really can't complain. Lots of fish. Didn't show them all to you, and it'll be a little short film, but you can see what we do when we get out and about in Normandy. Why not come here for a holiday? It's a lovely place to be. Anyway, if you've enjoyed it, please like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and join us next time when Monty and I, perhaps Colin and a few others, will be out fishing in Normandy. Cheerio for now.